Hello students, myself Sri D.K. Kamlakar, Assistant Professor for Commerce in Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Today we are going to learn tools and techniques of management accounting, which is very important topic for BCom Part 2, Semester 3 in subject Management Accounting. In previous lecture, we learned meaning of management accounting, role play by management accounting in decision making, and difference between management accounting and financial accounting. Now we can going to learn tools and techniques of management accounting. Now we are going to learn tools and techniques of management accounting. Management accounting uses the tools and techniques to discharge its duty towards the management accounting, like financial statement analysis, historical cost accounting, marginal costing, standard costing, budgetary control, fund flow analysis, cash flow statement, statistical analysis, inflation accounting, and reporting and communicating. These tools and techniques are very much important to run best practice in the business organization. Now we can understand one by one. First, financial statement analysis. Financial planning helps to determine in advance the financial activities which are necessary in order to achieve primary objective of a business enterprises. Financial statements are the indicator of profitability and financial position of a business. Financial statement analysis is the process of identifying the financial strength and weaknesses by properly establishing a relationship between the items of the financial statement. Tools of a financial statement analysis are comparative financial statement. A business concern does not exist in isolation. It coexists with other comparating concern in the same industry. It has to compare with performance with such competing concerns. Such comparison is called inter-firm comparison. It also needs to compare with own past performance with its current performance to ascertain its progress or decline over the year. This is known as inter-period comparison. Comparative financial statement is a tool to arrange the balance sheet and profit and loss account of a business enterprises in a comparable form, so as to enable enterprises to facilitate inter-firm comparison and inter-period comparison. Common size financial statements. Common size financial statement is a tool of rearranging the financial statement, that is profit and loss account and balance sheet, by converting the figures therein to the percentage of some common base, so as to facilitate inter-firm comparison or inter-period comparison of a same business. In common size profit and loss account, the sale figure is assumed as a common base and treated to be 100, and all other figures therein are expressed as a percentage of sale. Similarly, In common size balance sheet, the total of asset or liability is taken as 100 and rest of figures are expressed as a percentage of this figure. Trend analysis. The comparative statement and common sense statements compared with the figures of year 2 with those of year 1. The figures of 3 year with those of year 2 and figure of 4 year with those of year of 3 and so on. But a trend analysis is a technique by which treat year 1 as a base year compared to figure of the all years, that is second, third, fourth and so on. With those of base year, ascertain trend as in figures. For example, trend analysis of sales will reveal whether compared to base year, that is first year, the sales shows the trend of increasing or decreasing in the subsequent years. Trend of sale data and inventories may be studied together to arrive a meaningful conclusion. Ratio analysis. A ratio shows the relationship between two numbers. Accounting ratio shows the relationship between two accounting figures. Ratio analysis is a tool by studying the financial status and performance of a concern on the basis of accounting ratios. It helps to evaluate performance of a business concern over a period of time as well as comparison with other competing concerns. We know ratio are a best tool of measuring liquidity, solvency, profitability and activity of a concern, and it is also equally useful to the internal management, prospective investors, creditors and outsiders, etc. The role of accounting ratios is very significant to increase the efficiency of the management. As such, it is a very important tool of management accounting also. Historical cost accounting. Historical cost accounting provides financial past data related to cost of each job, process and department, etc. So that proper comparison may be made with the standard cost, which ultimately helps to control cost and make future planning properly. Marginal costing. Marginal cost is an economic concept. Marginal costing particularly differentiate cost analysis, break-even analysis, etc. helps the management accountant to take decision about cost control, maximization of a profit, etc. Hence, marginal costing is a technique of guiding the management in decision making as assessment of a pricing and profitability. Standard costing. Standard costs are predetermined or forecast estimate of a cost of manufacture a single unit or number of units of a product during a specific immediate future period and are used as measured with which the actual cost as ascertained may be compared. As such, this technique, that is the analysis of variance, is considered while controlling cost and helps to take correct decision in future. Standard costing is a specialized technique of costing. It is also treated as powerful tool in the hands of management accountant, which enables him to guide the managerial person in their task of cost control and improve the economy, efficiency and productivity of the manufacturing operations. Budgetary control. Budgetary control system is a system of controlling and planning cost, So these techniques is widely used in management accounting for planning and controlling different activities of a business unit. In other words, it is helpful the management to achieve a desired return on investment. Hence, budgetary control has become an essential technique of a management for controlling cost and maximizing profits. Fund flow statement. This statement discloses the analytical information about different sources of a funds and applications of a same in the accounting cycle. It deals with the transactions which changes either the amount of current assets and current liabilities with their respective reasons, or fixed asset long-term loans including ownership funds between two different debts. It is also explained how two funds are coming and from which source and application of the same. Fund flow statements helps in making better estimate about company's financial position and policies. It has become an important tool in hands of management account. Cash flow statement. It indicates the inflow and outflow of cash during a period. It shows the receipt of cash from various sources and payments of cash for various purposes during the particular period. It is a tool in which hands of a financial analyst, and this is also useful for management accounting. Cash flow statement overcome the limitation of balance sheet, that is shows only the cash balance as on particular day and fails to despite the movement of cash over a period. Statistical analysis. At a present, statistical data are widely used in financial and management accounting for the purpose of financial data to be made for more meaningful and future guidance, comparative studies, etc. Some of the statistical techniques are correlation, regression, time series data, index number, measures of dispersion, graphical presentation, etc., which are really very useful to management accounting. Next, inflation accounting. This technique is very useful and widely accepted for ensuring the maintenance of original capital under the condition of changing prices, that is inflation. It is also incorporate its effect on financial statement as well. Reporting or communicating. It helps to communicate desired financial information through reports to the users of financial statements, by which the management can take the right decision at the right time and determine the future course of action, which provides useful or which proves usefulness to the business enterprises as well. Friends, today we learn the tools and techniques of management accounting which are used for the success of a business. If you have queries, please contact me on my WhatsApp number 973005683. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.